Alright guys, we're going to figure out where a domain name has been registered and where it's hosted. So anytime you're going to move a website, you need to know this information. So we're going to go to Network Solutions, networksolutions.com, and we are going to scroll down to who is search. Ding. Who is this person? Who is this domain name? Alright. So today we're going to take a look at Todd James. Todd James Homes.com. Chapwang. Alright. And they're trying to sell us something there. That's not what we want, so we scroll down and we see, okay, Todd James Homes was registered at, the current registrar is GoDaddy.com. So if you're moving this domain name, you'd say, hey Todd James, do you have your password into GoDaddy? Because that's where your domain name was registered, so I need to get into your GoDaddy account in order to move your website. Alright, now here we have Comerical Ideas, which is actually not, that is the registrant of the domain name, and that is the de facto owner. In this case, I know that it's an advertising agency. So they're working on somebody on their behalf. Now, so that's important. I mean, this is who, according to Network Solution, this is who actually owns the domain name. All right, and then down here, domain name servers. Okay, ebuilders.net. So the domain name servers, the DNS, that is where a person can control where your website is hosted, where your email is hosted, and all that sort of thing. So in this case, I could either go to GoDaddy if I can get in there, and I can change the GoDaddy name servers to be something other than ebuilders.net, say with a new hosting company that I sign up with, and they will give me the domain name information, and I can change it in GoDaddy, and that would point to the new hosting site that I set up. Or I can approach ebuilders.net and say, hey, I want you to point to, I'm going to host it over here, and I want you to point the DNS so that the email is over here and the domain name goes over here. So when somebody types in the website www.toddjameshomes.com, it goes to this server. So I could just do this. I could go, okay, well, it says ebuilders.net, e-builders.net. I can go there and say, oh, okay, here's the guys that are hosting their DNS. I can contact these guys and ask them about, here's their phone number right there. I can ask them, hey, I've got a client, they're moving their hosting. If you're going to continue hosting their DNS, then their web hosting is moving over here. Point their domain name to this IP address that was just given to me by their new host. So anyway, that's how domain names get moved these days.